ESD vinyl flooring tiles come in various thicknesses to suit different applications and performance requirements. Here are the common thickness options: 2 mm, 0.08 inches. Applications: best for light-duty areas like offices or low-traffic zones. Benefits: flexible and easy to install, providing basic ESD protection. 2.5 mm, 0.10 inches. Applications: suitable for moderate-duty environments, such as clean rooms, data centers and smaller manufacturing areas. Benefits: offers a balance between durability and flexibility, enhancing ESD performance. 3 mm, 0.12 inches. Applications: commonly used in heavier traffic areas, including electronics assembly and production lines. Benefits: provides excellent wear resistance and improved ESD protection for environments with frequent movement. For more information about ESD control flooring, feel free to consult us. We're here to help you find the best static flooring solutions tailored to your needs.